Each of us has to leave our place once in a while. Whether it's to get something to drink, to check on the children, or simply to go to the bathroom. But then to look at an empty chair can be quite strange for the viewer and especially for newcomers. That's why we now have the brand new Be Right Back screen layer for you. This plays Twitch clips of your choice in your absence so the viewers won't get bored. You can either choose a ready-to-go theme or customize your screen. So let's go to Overlays and we create a new overlay and call it Be Right Back. As always, we select the resolution and click Add New Overlay. Then we select Add Layer and under Streaming Tools we select the Be Right Back screen layer. Actually done. As you can see, it starts playing your clips right away. On the right side you can select another theme under Content and manage Be Right Back theme, or just the single clip layer that you set on the background of your choice. Under the Manage button you will find two drop-down menus with which you can choose how old the clips can be and whether they play in random order or in the order they were created. Of course, the option to change the title is not missing as with all layers, and a slider to adjust the volume of the clips. As a little bonus, I want to show you how you can create your very own Be Right Back screen in simple steps. Open a new overlay and name it accordingly to your wishes and set the resolution according to your monitor. Click on Add New Overlay. Now we add a background first. To do this, click on Add Layer, then on General and select Image. On the right side under Content, select your uploaded image and enlarge it to the whole screen. Now we add the Be Right Back screen and select the only video theme via Manage Be Right Back theme in the right sidebar. We now adjust this to the background as we like it. I'm kind of making a video wall out of it. And ready is a personalized Be Right Back screen. If you want, you can now add a text, or of course another of the numerous layers that Lumia Overlays offers. Are you going to use the Be Right Back screen? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and have a luminous day.